Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Debabrata here this time. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the authorization process of your Google account in make.com. Right now, I am trying to authorize my Google account to interact with the resource of Google Drive, Gmail, or whatever the product of Google. I am getting this error message. Okay, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's select the advanced setting. Now you can see this client ID and client secret is required. Okay, let's collect this resource from my Google Cloud Console. We have to create a project in Google Cloud Console. So let's go to the site of this Google Cloud Console, and here uh, very first of all, make sure that you selected your specific Google account, which one you are going to authorize in your Mac. And from here, click on new project. You can write any name. For me, I'm writing make issue, and then click on create. Okay, my project is now created, so let's click on it, and you will get this page. Click on this menu and select the API and service, and then click on credential. From here, let's click on library. I'm going to authorize Google account for Google Drive resource. That's why I will enable Drive API. Select Google Drive and then click on Drive and enable it. Click on enable. Okay, my Google Drive API is enabled. Okay, I'm going to enable Gmail API again. So select the Gmail, click on enable. Okay, now let's go to auth consent screen. Here, let's go to client and click on get started. Okay, here in this page, let's go to write the app name. I am writing make issue. Select the support email, and here click on external, and then click on next. And contact information, you can write your any email. Okay, now let's click next and select the checkbox and click on continue. Then finally click on create. Okay, now let's click on here, and from this drop down select web application and write here any name. I am writing make issue. Yeah, all done. And finally let's click on create. Yeah, and this page will pop up automatically. From here, let's copy the client ID and client secret, and let's go back to the make.com and paste here the client ID and client secret. Now uh, let's go to sign in Google account. Okay, now I am getting this error message. The error message is regarding redirect URI. Okay, let's copy this redirect URI from here and go back to the Google Cloud project again, and here click on edit. Just scroll it, and here you can find the authorized redirect URI. Paste it and click on save. Okay, let's go back here. Just cancel it and try one more time. Select the advanced setting, paste the client ID and client secret as I did before, and now let's try one more time. Okay, let's select the Google account, which one I am trying to authorize. Oh, again error. So if you get this error, we have to do something like we have to publish our application. Let's go back to our project, click on audience and click on publish app, and finally click on confirm. It means we just pushed our developer application in verification stage. Okay, now let's try one more time. Okay, let's select Google account, click on advanced and scroll it and click on this last thing and click on continue and select the checkbox to give all the permissions and click on continue. Okay, hopefully it will work. Great, we successfully authorized our Google account without any issue. Okay, if you see, if I show you here connection, you can see the connection is now here. Okay, that's all. If you find this very helpful, please subscribe my channel and see you again in the next video. Bye.